Today's God message for you. When things aren't working, the universe sends an experience designed to create transformation. Have no fear. Have faith that the change is sent to open your outlook to bigger. Life is pushing you toward a better version of your life. Stop holding on to what you cannot control and focus on what you can. The quietest part of you has never forgotten you are worthy of more. Type yes if you believe. Universe message for you. No one is coming to save you or bring you happiness. You have to do that for yourself. What keeps you from thriving is the self-imposed limits you created from your pain. You can choose to see the infinite possibilities of your potential by reclaiming your worth and acknowledging you are capable of being all you desire. Love, abundance, and success are already within you, waiting to be unleashed. Confidently be yourself. You are amazing. Type 11. 11 to affirm. Angels, message for you. One of the biggest causes of dissatisfaction and unhappiness can be linked to overthinking. When you focus on what you think will happen, you don't make anything happen. Work on what you want to manifest instead of worrying about scenarios that may never materialize. Get out of your head and take inspired action to create solutions. Remember, you all will have what you need when you need it. Type I am awareness to affirm. Today's God message: release yourself from the burdens of your past by letting things go and allowing people and situations to be. Stop looking for explanations, apologies, closure, validation, or answers that might never come. Move past living a life centered on what others did or did not do, and focus on how you want to feel in the now. Peace comes when you realize your choices create your happiness. Life is your responsibility. Type I am resilient to affirm. Today's message for you: remember, no one is ever fully prepared to overcome the challenges they experience. Along the way, that is how they build strength. Everything you go through helps you define what you want. Life is about doing your best on the ride, not the arrival. That is where it all ends. Make the most of your journey. Pray for discernment and patience to recognize that you are being blessed and guided through it all. Type I love God if you trust God. God message for you, WW. You are more protected than you can ever imagine. It is safe for you to open your heart. Be open to receiving a new level of support now from your soul family, cosmic family, and the angelic beings of light. Give them permission to assist you on your journey at this time. Hand over your fears and your pain to them. You do not need to carry them anymore. You are receiving a level of support that you can't even imagine. Open yourself up to receiving more support by consciously seeing the signs and making the physical effort to receive the help and support you need at this time. Your heavenly supporters will create opportunities and bring in divine connections, but you must make the effort and take the first step to receive. Type yes if you feel this. Today's God says, your light is seen, your heart is known, your soul is cherished by more people than you might imagine. If you knew how many others have been touched in wonderful ways by you, you would be astonished. If you knew how many people feel so much for you, you would be shocked. You are far more wonderful than you think you are. Rest with that. Rest easy with that. Breathe again. You are doing fine, more than fine, better than fine. You're doing great. So relax and love yourself today. Type.
God is saying to you today, victory is coming to your household. Victory is coming in your finances. Victory is coming in your health. You are healthy and blessed. You are purpose, successful and loved. You are growing and you are winning. Expect good news today. Expect new opportunities today. Expect healing today. Expect breakthroughs today. I declare God is making a way for you right now. Type yes if you believe. 1111. The universe is working for you. Heaven is holding conversation about you. Angels have been assigned to you. It's gonna be alright. Get ready for more fun, improved finance, healing, lots of love and miracles. Type yes if you are ready.